Welcome back to 5 Minute STEM. In today's video, we're going to be doing some nested if-else statements, and I'll be writing a program that asks the user to enter their grade, and then it determines whether or not the grade is a failing grade, passing grade, or outside the bounds of a 0 to a 100. And this program can be found on my website, and I will link that down below. So let's get started. So first we will declare a variable named grade, and then we will ask the user to please enter your grade with a little note 0 to 100. And then we'll read in that value and store it in the variable grade. And now we'll start our first if statement. So if grade is greater than or equal to 0, and grade is less than or equal to 100, because remember we want to keep it within the bounds of 0 to 100. And now we'll start our nested if statement. So if grade is less than 50, this is a failing grade. And then else. This is a passing grade. All right, and then we'll go back out to the main if-else statement and say else we'll just write a note, please make sure to enter a grade between 0 and 100. All right, and I think that looks pretty good. So let's run it. Please enter your grade. Let's do 45. This is a failing grade. Let's do 96. This is a passing grade. And then let's try one that's outside the bounds. Let's do 108. And then you get that note, please make sure to enter a grade between 0 to 100. So as you can see, this is how you do nested if-else statements. And in the next videos, we'll be doing some loops, which will, show how to do similar programs, but maybe a little bit more advanced. And again, you can find this at my website. I'll link that down below, and thanks for watching.